everyone. So today I am back with another yummy, delicious and easy to bake recipe. Today we are making different flavors of cookies using the same dough. But believe me, they will all taste differently. So let's make it. Take a bowl and put 200 grams softened butter, now put 100 grams powdered sugar, take a blender and beat it till it's well combined. You can take a normal hand whisk also. Scrape the bowl with a spatula. Now gradually put 250 grams of flour, scrape the bowl again with the spatula. Now put 1 teaspoon corn flour into the bowl. Add 1 teaspoon vanilla extract in the bowl. If you don't have one, you can use vanilla essence too. Now divide this dough into 3 equal parts. First cookie we are going to make is choco chip cookie. Take the batter and keep adding flour into it till the dough is formed. Now press it a little and put choco chips into it. Roll the dough with the help of a rolling pin. Cover the dough with a cling foil and let it chill in the freezer for 30 minutes. The second cookie is chocolate cookie. Take the batter and put flour into it. You can first put cocoa and then add flour. Now mix the dough with the cocoa powder. Again roll the dough with the rolling pin. Cover the dough with a cling foil and then again let it chill for 30 minutes in the fridge. The third cookie we are making is almond cookie. Take finely crushed almond. You can get it in stores easily. Add the almond gradually and then put the flour till a dough is formed. Now put chopped almonds into the dough. Again roll it with a rolling pin. Cover it with a cling foil and let it chill in the freezer for 30 minutes. Now when the doughs are chilled, take out the cling foil from the dough. Now take a cookie cutter and cut the dough in any shape you want. You can take a knife also. Cut the rest of the doughs with a cookie cutter. It's time to decorate. You can decorate it with jam or you can use white chocolate or any chocolate you want. cookies are now ready to eat. I'm sure you will find this recipe easy to make. If so, please like, share and subscribe. Bye.